Hey friends, and welcome back to the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting. Today we're talking about something super important but often overlooked when we're deep into a project. Taking care of our hands, wrists, neck, and back while we loom knit. Quick disclaimer, before we jump in, I'm not a doctor, just a fellow crafter sharing what's worked for me. But if you're dealing with pain or ongoing issues, definitely check in with your doctor. Let's keep our hands happy. Loom knitting is full of little repetitive motions, wrapping yarn, pulling up loops, sliding stitches down and over the pegs. It's fun and relaxing, but if you do it for too long without a break, your fingers, wrists, and forearms can start to ache. Taking a few minutes to stretch now and then keeps your hands flexible and helps prevent those "uh-oh, I overdid it" moments. Think of it like giving your hands a tune-up so you can keep enjoying your project. Let's talk about posture. Posture is another big one. A lot of us end up hunched forward without realizing it. Shoulders rounded, neck craned down, back stiff. That's where the Valari pillow comes in. Here's something neat about the Valari. It was originally designed for gamers who spent hours holding their controllers, but crafters quickly realized it works perfect for us too. You rest it on your lap and it supports your forearms and your shoulders relax. Your wrists don't carry all the weight and your project sits closer to your eyes. Such a simple change, but it really helps reduce strain. Pair that with a couple of shoulder rolls or a gentle neck stretch, and you'll notice the difference right away. Get that blood moving. Have you ever been so focused that when you finally stand up, your legs and arms feel all tingly? I know I have. That's because sitting too long slows down the circulation. To help with that, make it a habit to stand up every so often, even if it's just a stretch or a quick walk to the kitchen for a cup of hot tea or coffee. Those little movement breaks keep your blood flowing and help you feel energized. It may seem like stretching takes away from your project, but really it does the opposite. A couple of minutes of movements lets your muscles reset, which means you can knit longer and more comfortably. It's like getting a refresh for your body and your creativity. Taking these small steps now means you'll be able to keep crafting for years to come. Healthy hands and good posture are just as important as the yarn and the loom in front of you. A little self-care goes a long way towards making your hobby sustainable and joyful. Here's a quick 5-move routine you can do right in the middle of a project. Finger stretch. Spread your fingers wide, then gently make a fist. Do this about 5 times. Roll your wrists slowly in each direction. Shoulder rolls. Up, back, and down. Repeat a few times. Neck tilt. Move your ear towards your shoulder, hold, then switch sides. And finally, big reach. Place your fingers, stretch your arms overhead, and reach for the ceiling. It takes less than 2 minutes, but it makes a big difference. So remember, loom knitting isn't just about stitches and yarn, it's about taking care of yourself too. Because happy hands, relaxed shoulders, and good posture means more time doing what you love. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more loom knitting tips, tutorials, and cozy crafting content. Stay naughty, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.